Hello, this is part 2 of me opening up 9 Pokemon booster tins. We finished the Giratina set, now we're on to the Darkrai set. Let's hope we get something good like we got in the first pull. Start off with a nice Darkrai level X. So we'll bring it this nice pull. We'll put that here. We're starting off with our first pack, Rising Rivals. We'll start off with our pack. Snorlax, Shellos, we got Galactic's Fortress, Celio, Gym Leader's Quagsire, that's about the 5th one I've gotten, Vibrava, Flint's Infernape, Lucian's Assignment, the reverse, Nidoran, and the rare Nidoqueen. It's a nice one. Next pack, Platinum, first one, I do apologize for this. I don't have that good of a camera, and I couldn't afford one. So, yeah. Start off with Remoraid, Grimer, Diglett, Poochyena, Carnivine, Memory Berry, a Pokédex, Mazama Valley, the reverse, Armor Fossil, and the rare, Gyarados Galactic. Wasn't a good pull. I got mostly trainers, but that's fine. We're on to Stormfront. Who's our next pack? Alright, we're going to start off the pack with a Trico, Finneon, Snover, Tangela, really hoping for a Tangrowth, level X, Machop, Energy Link, Staravia, Machoke again, the reverse, Raichu and the rare, Steelix again. It's a pretty good pull. We're on to our last pack of the 10. It is Legends Awaken. Start off with Spoink, Cubone, Baneri, Root Fossil, Nincita, Castform, Unknown, Camtrup, the reverse, Poliwag and the rare. Ooh, a Zealf level X. It's not bad. It's a good pull for the first 10. We're on to our second Darkrai 10. Yeah. It's hard to open these up when you don't have a pocket knife. Here comes our second Darkrai level X. First tin pack we're opening is Stormfront. Our first card is a Cherubi, Magikarp, Starly, Magnemite, Pikachu, Dusclops, Sableye, Marley's Request again, the reverse, Combee, and the rare, Machamp. It's a good card. I've got a bunch of Machamps already. Not that anyone cares, but our next pack will be Legends Awakened. Drifloon, Pineco, Poliwag, Nosepass, Skitty. Oh, looks like we got a level X. Unknown. Snowpoint Temple, Latterin, the reverse, Unknown, and the red. Level X is Rhyperior level X. I've already got one of these. It doesn't hurt to have another one. Like I said, I'm a Pokemon quick. And we're off to Platinum Rising Rivals. Oh, I got 2 level X's already. More like bunch. But that's what I like, because you go to the store, you buy a 10, you don't know if you're going to get a level X, that's why you buy the whole box. Kakuna, Nuzleaf, Aeron, That Lady's Gliscor, Nidoran, the Pokemon Contest Hall, the Energy, another Energy, the reverse, Weezing in the rare, ooh, another Darkrai Hollow, Galactic. Not bad, not bad. We're on to our last pack, which is the Platinum pack. I swear, every time I do this card trick, I'm always messing up. Alright, we got Slakoth, Riolu, Squirtle, Tauros, Combee, damn it, the Galactic Headquarters Pokeball. We got Energy Gain, the reverse, Combee, and the rare, Deliga. Not bad, not bad. We're on to our last tin. We pull out another level X. Be good, that'd be good. 2 level X's in one. Actually, what was it? Did I pull a level X in 2 tins? I can't remember. Alright, so we're on to our final Darkrai level X. Start off with the Platinum pack. And we'll start off with Turtwig, Lapras, Ralts, Lotad, Electrike, Poketurn, Pokeball, Energy, Rainbow Energy, the reverse, Prinplup, and the rare. Rare, yeah, Electabuzz. That's a nice Electabuzz. Looks like one from the very first series that ever came out. We're on to our next pack, which will be Platinum Rising Rivals. Actually pretty impressed with that Electabuzz. I've never gotten a good one like that. Alright, so we'll start off with Galactic's Ambipom, Staryu, Eevee, Steel, Nidorino, Technical Machine Galactic's Electrode, BB's Research, the reverse, the Energy, and the rare. Ooh, Galactic's Elite Four's Rhyperior. It's a nice one. We're on Legends Awakened. Hitmonchan, Gloom, Clawfossil, Leiba, Tentacool, Dragonair, Latterin, Ninjask, the Hollow, Rare, Reverse, whatever the hell it is, Gloom, and the Rare, another Probopass. Not bad, not bad. Our final pack will be Stormfront, and we have just about a little bit of time left to do it. Roselia, Larvitar, Drifloon, Combee, Scorpy, Machoke, Magneton, Electrode, the Reverse, Raichu and the Rare, and Polion, Steel version. That's a good card. Thank you all for watching part 2, and part 3 will be up shortly. Sorry about the recording again. Thanks. See ya.